In this video, we will demonstrate how Xamun can accelerate software development through a visual entity designer. This enables developers to easily and quickly create an entity data model instead of hard coding it on Visual Studio. Entity Data Model, or EDM, refers to a set of concepts that describe data structure regardless of its stored form. This model uses three key concepts to describe data structure: entity type, association type, and property. An entity relationship diagram is a graphical representation of an EDM, which basically shows the relationships among people, objects, places, concepts, or events within a software. It helps define business processes and serves as a foundation for relational databases. Data modeling is one major aspect of any software project, and in this specific example, a junior developer would have taken longer to hard code the data entities without an entity relationship diagram, because it helps developers visualize data relationships faster and better. It starts in Visual Studio, where you launch the Xamun extension. A pop-up will appear showing the blank canvas. At this point, you may load an existing XML and update it as needed. Let's try adding an entity. In here, you can name the model and add fields or properties. Each field can be configured to any of the growing list of field types or data types, whichever is applicable to the field that you are trying to add. You can add as many fields as needed and simply click Save. This creates the entity on the canvas. We're going to add more fields. To create a relationship with previously created model, a developer simply sets the field type as foreign key, and they can specify which model this field will be coming from. Now that the foreign keys have been established, we need to set the associations or relationship type. This one-to-one and many-to-many setting can be set to the field. Now that the models have been set up and the relationships have been defined, the resulting canvas also shows the connections among the different models in a graphical manner. This can be saved. You can review the generated schema in Visual Studio, where you can see the model and the entities designed earlier. This XML file will then be fed into our code generator to create API backend codes. This takes a few minutes, depending on how big or complex the XML file is. When you check the Swagger APIs, the entities that were created earlier are available. The backend codes can then be consumed by the client and front-end application. Visit www.xamun.com to learn more about our software development automation platform and book a free demo.